two trusted insurance brands, but only one can truly protect what matters most. Which one really delivers? On one side, we have Nationwide, known for their strong reputation. And on the other, Esurance, famous for its digital-first approach. Let's push past the catchy slogans and see how they really stack up. We'll break it down category by category, each one earns points so you can see exactly who wins the head-to-head. And trust me, the winner might not be the one you expect. Let's break this down and see how they stack up across a few big categories. We're talking price, customer service, digital experience, coverage options, and of course, reputation. Ready? Let's get into it. Okay, first up, price. With Nationwide, you get those bundled discounts and rewards for safe driving, which is nice, but honestly, it usually costs more than those online-first insurance brands. Then you look at Esurance. I gotta say, if you're hunting for savings, this one's tough to beat. Their premiums are usually lower and you can get a quote super fast online. Trick is, you don't get as many bundling options, but still, Esurance wins on price. If your wallet is the boss, you're gonna notice. Let's talk about customer service. Nationwide really shines here. People rave about their claims support and you've got local agents to help out in person. Of course, your experience can depend on which agent you work with, but generally you get that personal touch. Now, Esurance makes it easy to handle claims online, which is great if you hate picking up the phone, right? But there are mixed reviews on how smooth the claims actually go, and there's no physical support nearby. Not everyone's cool with that, so yeah, Nationwide takes this one. Moving on to digital experience. Nationwide's tech isn't bad, slick app and a solid website, though some reviewers say their tech updates are a little sluggish sometimes. But listen, Esurance was born online. Their whole thing is fast, streamlined, digital-first everything. You want to file a claim on your phone and be done in like 5 minutes, that's their bread and butter. The trade-off? Support is strictly over the app or via chat, so don't expect face-to-face. If you're all about convenience and speed, Esurance is the runaway winner. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Esurance actually started as an online-only insurer all the way back in 1999. So they were basically doing the digital thing before it was cool. Now, how about coverage options? With Nationwide, you honestly get the works: auto, home, pet, even life insurance. Tons of ways to customize your policy, but keep in mind you might end up paying for more than you really need. Esurance, they're good for basic auto stuff and some home insurance, but their range is, let's just say, a little shallow if you need anything extra. So Nationwide totally dominates for coverage. Last up, we have reputation. Nationwide is like the gold standard. Been around forever, solid financials, everyone's heard of them. On the flip side, they do sometimes feel a bit stuck in their ways. Esurance, meanwhile, has that reputation as the clever digital innovator, but here, the thing, they got acquired by Allstate, and after their recent merger, honestly nobody's really sure what's next for them. So when it comes to trust and brand power, Nationwide is way ahead. Putting it all together, when you look at price, customer service, tech, coverage, and reputation side by side, you start to see where each of these companies really shines and where they're just kind of middle of the pack. So here's how I see it. If you want all the coverage options in the world and the comfort of local support when things get complicated, stick with Nationwide. But if you're the type who hates phone calls, loves doing everything online, and is just out to score the lowest price, Esurance is going to make your life a whole lot easier. If this helped, let us know, and follow for the next insurance deep dive.